We wanted this bathroom to feel like an escape. Calm, classic, a little bit luxurious, but still be able to work for a family. I'm Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and let me show you what we chose from Reece for this bathroom makeover. This was a dated, tired bathroom that was just waiting for a makeover. We wanted to transform it into a space that felt timeless and charming, somewhere you could switch off and relax at the end of the day. Now let me take you through what we did here. The bathroom originally was a good size, but we needed to fit 4 pieces. So shower, bath, vanity, and toilet. So it was a little bit tight. But what we focused on here was just creating some beautiful moments within this space, like introducing these soft archways framing both the bath and the shower. They instantly add character and also make the whole space feel elevated and a little bit luxurious. And then the warmer features through the vanity actually really balance everything beautifully. You've got the warmer tones in the paint, the warmer tone in the light, the warmer tone here in the gorgeous marble and the basin, and then everything else is that little bit cooler, so we have mixed the 2 different colours. And because this bathroom needed to work hard for a family, every product selection had to be both beautiful and practical. The Cato era vanity has loads of storage to keep everyday clutter hidden away, while the curved detailing softens the overall look and makes it feel elevated. We paired that with classic style tapware, but modernised it through the beautiful textured finishes in the Milli Etch range, which adds a lovely tactile detail to the space. Now the toilet for this space was actually really important. So you can see from here to here, it's not a huge distance. We did actually have a bigger toilet initially, but we chose to bring it back a little bit, them not feel like they were kind of squashed in an area. Plenty of room. The Australian-made Robert Gordon semi-inset basin has this softer ceramic look that works perfectly with the calming palette. And the Swiss-designed Laufen toilet keeps the room feeling streamlined and timeless. And honestly, having everything sourced through Reece made the whole renovation process so much easier. If you're planning a renovation, make sure you check out Reece's range today.